What's up, Wheeler Bros? Welcome back to the channel. Today we finally got our DRW skid plate for my Raptor 700R. I was finally not cheap enough to upgrade the stock skid plate, only to have the DRW one, the factory, get shut down for a couple days and then on back order, so I couldn't get this before my race. But it's alright, we survived. Anyway, we finally got the skid plate. So we're going to install it in today's video and get rid of this junk stock one. So let's get right into it. But before we do that, let's go ahead and pray. So get right into the video. Dear Lord, I just want to say thank you for allowing us to come out here today. Thank you for this nice cool weather. Thank you for allowing DRW to get back up and running and for them to give me my skid plate. Just want to thank you for everything that you've given us, and bless everyone that is watching this video. In your name we pray. Amen. Alright. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so removal is easy enough. All it is some 10mm bolts, and then everything just pops out. But I've got one 8mm bolt in there for a good reason. I lost one of the 10mm bolts. The head broke off sometime. I don't know when, but we didn't have the right size bolt or washer, so like I've said before, pennies are cheaper than washers, so just keep that in mind. But the good thing is, I'll show you guys in a minute, the DRW skid plate came with all new hardware, and it mounts up, I believe, mostly in the factory locations. Correct me if I'm wrong, Will. And then it's got some mounting tabs that pop in up here, so should be simple enough. We'll come back to you. Not good. Those bolts are done. Yeah, I'm not keeping that one. Those threads are okay. I'm gonna go get a tap and die set and make sure those threads are okay. Like, I didn't tighten those very tight. And I remember putting them in there and they were okay. So I'm not sure. I think these are if I remember correctly, an M7 by 1.0, if I'm right. It might be M5s. Now that the threads are at least somewhat fixed, they're probably going to fail again eventually, but oh well. Did I mention this? Please look at what you're getting before you buy something off a marketplace. Please do that. I'm just OCD. But anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at what the DRW skid plate came with. I see a sticker. Did yours come with a sticker?
It did.
Oh yeah, that's right. It's on the bottom, right?
Yeah, and I also got the other one in the chest. There.
Okay. They do package this quite well. For it being just a piece of plastic. I don't know what type of plastic, but it's plastic nonetheless. Anyway, skid plate, that tape will come off eventually. Now, let's see. Like I said, we got the two brackets that should bolt on. These here, you can see them. They're like a channel clip. They just plop in there, real nice. And then drop it. Like I was saying before, it comes with 2 of these blocks, and then it also comes with 2 of these little, I guess clips is what you can call them. But they, from what I remember, will bolt up over here, something like that. Am I right, Will?
I believe they're up towards the top.
Okay. I can't remember. But we'll figure that out in a minute. It also comes with 4 or 5, I can't tell, let me see. It also comes with 4 flush mount, or yeah, 4 flush mount bolts for these holes here, which I will probably rip the threads out of eventually, but we'll worry about that at a later date. And it also comes with this cool new purple sticker, which I really like. It's gonna go on the bottom anyway. Right there. So if I flip over, they'll still be repping DRW. It is a 4mm Allen head, is what they send you. And as you guys can see also, the only thing that's really held up under here is the other DRW skid plate. So props to them. No real even, I mean there's a little gashing on it, but nothing major. So that's really really why I like these guys. They make a good product. So now go a little higher. Started. I like how it kind of curves with the frame too, if you can't tell. Just makes everything flow a little nicer. And then the last 2 are going to go down here, but we'll do those. Actually, we'll do those now. So, and these kind of sandwich everything together. So it's going to push this in here and pull this down. Hey. So, finally got those 2 bottom bolts to start. They're fine. They're just a pain in the butt. Because you got to bend the plastic. But the piece de resistance.
I knew he was here, but he was the only one that didn't answer on the test. So I got him.
My bad.
I got Grayson. You go get him and find out what he is.
Boom. That'll probably come off within 1 ride, but oh well.
Now we the coldest, I'm on 10 with my roadies. Shout out my homies, we gon' ball for them trophies. Like they can't hold me, thinking God, I've been chosen. Go through the motions, all them times I was hopeless. Now we the coldest.
Look, I've been trying to tell y'all since like 1-3. Got my soul up in the trunk, get my car, got the key. Spirit trying to talk.